Philips OLED 951 4K UHD OLED Plus Ambilight TV. Main features are four-sided Ambilight with Ambiscape. Projects responsive, colored real-time lighting from all four rear edges. The software introduces Ambiscape to wirelessly sync and extend the ambient glow into room smart lights. Panel technology Meta 4.0 primary RGB tandem 2.0 volt, 4-layer stack. Screen sizes available in 65, 650 LED 951, and 77, 770 LED 951. Native resolution 3840 by 2160 pixels, 4K Ultra HD. Refresh rate 48 Hz to 165 Hz native variable support. Peak brightness 4500 nits, 3% window, 400 nits, 100% full screen. Video processor 10th Gen P5 AI dual engine SoC chipset. MediaTek Pentonic 800 MT9655. Quad-core Cortex A73. Operating system Titan OS Smart TV platform, onboard storage 8 GB internal capacity. Anti-glare filter advanced coating reducing screen reflectance down to 0.3%. Full support for Dolby Vision 2 Max by a firmware update. Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG. Filmmaker mode, IGG, and advanced AI features for cinematic accuracy. Gaming features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, full 48 Gbps bandwidth. VRR, 40 to 165 Hz. ALLM, AMD FreeSync Premium, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. 4K 165 Hz HFR support and game bar with custom profiles. Smart TV and connectivity Titan OS platform with major streaming apps. 8 GB storage. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, AirPlay, Google Cast. MediaTek Pentonic 800 chipset. This model excels in picture quality, brightness, color, low reflections, gaming performance, and the unique Ambilight experience, making it ideal for movies, sports, and immersive home entertainment.